So you might be in a situation where you want to go ahead and boost your cell signal on your iPhone. Now, what does this mean? Well, if you take a look at the top status bar of your specific device, you might see that you basically have like one bar. Maybe if you look at the top left or if you swipe down, you have like no signal at all. Now, keep in mind, if you're in the middle of nowhere, like you are actually in the middle of nowhere, or you're in the middle of a basement, or even if you're in the middle of a big city, a lot of those places can actually have a really, really bad signal, mostly because there's towers in the way, or if you're in the basement somewhere, there's just not enough room. So the best thing you can do, and my favorite thing to do in those types of situations, is to go ahead and connect to a Wi-Fi connection. Now you might be wondering why that even matters. Well, for a lot of cell plans out there, including almost every single iPhone that's supported right now, they have the ability of using something called, calling over Wi-Fi or like data over Wi-Fi. So essentially what this does is if you don't have a cell signal around you, you can instead use Wi-Fi to make calls, send text messages, so many things like that, and that is a way better option to have. So what I would recommend doing is going into your Wi-Fi settings of your iPhone, going and connecting to a Wi-Fi connection, and just pretty much, trying to go that direction. In my opinion, that's probably the best thing to do. And every single time I've done that, it's ended up working for me. Now, if that's not working, or if you're actually not getting any signal at all, the next thing I'd recommend doing is going through and restarting your phone. So sometimes if you just restart your phone, that may actually end up clicking some things in the direction of actually getting that phone to work. So just go ahead, turn off your phone, give it a few seconds, you can turn it back on, and you want to go ahead and see if that ends up fixing the problem too. And for a lot of people, that might actually end up fixing it. Now, for some reason that's still not working, you may just want to go ahead, if you turn back on your phone, you may want to go ahead and make sure there's not any like weird cases on your phone. So you may want to go ahead and make sure you don't have any like big massive cases that take up a lot of stuff on your phone or it's messing up the signal. So you can go ahead and remove your cases, remove anything like that either, and that might end up fixing the problem as well. If none of those things are working, you may just want to go ahead and try updating your iPhone. So make your way over to your iPhone, right here, go into your iPhone settings, which is right under general, software update. Go ahead and try updating your phone, and that might end up fixing the problem as well. So those are a few different ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.